here it is, our project on Happy Teachers Day is ready. Now over here I have used the velcro dots, the black color velcro dots, but if you don't have these, you can use toothpicks over here and ask the child to insert one by one. If that is also not available, then y'all can just straight away stick these chalks over here, and in this chalk box y'all can draw or paste these colorful chalks like this, so that this space doesn't look empty. And also I have written a quote over here: the influence of a good teacher can never be erased. You can write any of your favorite teacher's quote over here. Having said that, now let's see how we are going to tell our child. Now, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888. He was the first Vice President of India and a great, excellent teacher. So, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So, this was about the Teachers' Day. Now on this side we will tell about the teachers. That is, number 1 is knowledge is power, and teachers gives us knowledge. Teachers make a child ready for their future. In this coronavirus pandemic where the schools are closed, teachers are taking efforts to make learning fun at home. And the last point over here is they make difficult topics easy to understand. Then, so on this day, students express their love and respect for their teachers. Students thank them, make cards, give flowers and gifts to them. In some schools, students dress up like their teachers and they teach the lower grades. On this day, a program is held by students for teachers to sit back and enjoy. So this was about the Teachers' Day. Now I have added one more sentence over here, that is World Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of October. Now the theme for 2020 Teachers' Day is Teachers Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. If you all think if this will be confusing to the child, let them only say that the World Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of October. Thank you. So do let me know about the project in the comment box below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, do share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy Teachers' Day and happy growing up with your loved ones.